Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another Canva tutorial, and in today's tutorial we'll be creating transparent text effects in Canva. So here we are, just a blank canvas again, not quite sure what size this is actually, 16 by 1080, but it doesn't really matter. I wanted it bigger than the actual image I'm going to use, which is this one. I'm just looking at fashion images, so let's drag this out. As you can see, the canvas is much bigger. We'll just center this to the guidelines, change the background. And you can either leave it like that, or I might actually even things out a little bit and just change this actually here in the corner. So let's change this to a yellow to match the trousers, the pants. Let's just get it in there, a bit brighter, maybe something like that. So there you go, pink and pink, yellow and yellow, and purple, so it all evens out. Right, let's need to add some text to this now, because we're doing transparency. We need to have like a bold text. So let's just add a heading, and I'll just call this fashion, because basically that's what this image screams to me. Just change it to white, it's important that, and then just choose a heavy text, heavy fonts. I'll go with this pants on, that's quite a chunky one, so I just want to drag that out. I'll just make it, I'll put this on an angle actually, just to get the most out of it. Let's just have a look where we position this. Just be careful when you find little holes like this in the image, because when you actually do the transparency later, it doesn't clear it completely, so just be careful with that. So I just like to basically stick to a main body, and you'll see why just in a second. So let's drag this out, something like that. So that's not interfering there, but it is interfering there, and I don't really want that. So just lift it up a little bit, and now you can see it's just got a little bit over the top there. I mean, that might not matter so much. Let's just drag it a little bit so we can get a little bit more of that, and that should do us, I think. So I'm going to call this fashion 1. There's going to be actually 3 files. So this is fashion 1. So just download that and save it as a PNG. Simple as that. And there she is. So that's fashion 1. So the next one will be fashion 2. So I'll just rename that fashion 2. And just click on the text. We want effects and we want hollow. And just drag the thickness down to 1. And that is all you do. And that will be our fashion 2. So just download that. All very simple stuff. Right, so we can get rid of this now. All these images and text, shape. I can leave the background doesn't matter. I just need to upload fashion 1 and fashion 2. Okay, so now I've uploaded fashion 1 and fashion 2. I'm just going to choose fashion 2, which is the one with the hollow text, and just drag that in. And just click on this, and this is edit this photo, and this is the background remover. Now don't worry if some of this text actually disappears, like there. Don't worry about anything like that. As you're going to see, these are nice and clear under the arms, and this looks pretty good. So let's just save this now. So, oops, before I do anything, call it fashion 3, and then file and download. And don't forget, we want a transparent background on this, very important. And you can see it's transparent because of the dark background. Okay, so we just need to upload that file now. So import fashion 3. So okay, there's our fashion 3. This is our fashion 2, which we don't need anymore, so we can move that to the trash. So we've got fashion 3 and fashion 1. So let's just delete this now and put back fashion 1. Just drag it in. Oops. And then just drag in our fashion 3. And there you go. That's come out quite well. So you can see the actual nice clear edges here all the way around. And there's our transparent text for the word fashion. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, only a quick one today. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and of course subscribe to support this new channel, which is dedicated to Canva design. Anyway, my name is Mark Anthony, and I will see you in the next Canva tutorial. Take care. Bye for now.